Welcome to our Tech Trends update for August. The big news this month has been the earnings reports from major U.S. technology companies. Expectations were high, with equity markets near all-time highs, and the tech sector overall delivered positive results. As usual, Netflix kicked off the earnings season, beating expectations, yet the stock sold off as investor hopes were even higher. Next came Alphabet, which also posted strong results. However, lingering legal concerns remain, including penalties from a U.S. judge in its ongoing antitrust case. Given the increased regulatory scrutiny and the significant rally since we added it back to our top picks in May, we decided to remove Alphabet from our top picks and trimmed our position in the AMS portfolio, available to Itaú Private Bank offshore clients. Microsoft and Meta followed with strong earnings, leading both stocks to rally substantially. Microsoft reported impressive 39% growth in its cloud business, while Meta delivered solid advertising-driven results and strong forward guidance. Meta also continued to invest aggressively in the AI space, with Mark Zuckerberg outlining his vision for superintelligence and building a specialized team. Reports of $100 million plus compensation packages to recruit top talent, figures once reserved for star athletes like Neymar, underscored the intensity of the AI talent race. Finally, Amazon and Apple reported. Amazon disappointed this quarter, with cloud growth limited to 17% and guidance below market expectations. Apple, on the other hand, posted decent results, but the stock gave back early gains following a weaker than expected U.S. jobs report in July. Based on these earnings, we increased our preference for Microsoft in our top picks and moved Amazon down. Geopolitical developments also influenced the sector. A notable positive this month was the U.S. government's decision to lift the ban on Nvidia's H20 chip exports to China. Currently, our top investments in the AMS portfolio include Microsoft, Nvidia, and Amazon, although we trimmed all three positions during the month in response to their recent strong rallies. We are also maintaining a slightly higher cash position in the portfolio to take advantage of potential market pullbacks. In U.S. capital markets, there was significant activity. Figma's IPO was a standout, with shares soaring 250% on the first day of trading. Previously, Figma attempted to sell to Adobe, but the deal was blocked by regulators. M&A activity also remained strong, particularly in the cybersecurity sector, where Palo Alto Networks announced plans to acquire CyberArk. Additionally, a major cyber attack targeting Microsoft SharePoint affected over 400 organizations globally, including several U.S. government agencies. On the product front, new tech announcements continue to emerge daily. OpenAI introduced its agent mode for ChatGPT and launched its major model, GPT-5. Looking ahead, the remainder of the Q2 earnings season will continue to be closely watched, with Nvidia's report on August 27th expected to be a major event. We'll also see results from key software companies such as Salesforce. Geopolitical risks remain a major theme, with U.S. President Trump reportedly attempting to broker a truce between Russia and Ukraine, adding to an already complex global outlook. Once again, thank you for joining us.
This discussion is intended for informational purposes only. This is not investment research or investment advice, and no recommendation or financial advice is being given. This discussion does not take into account individual investment objectives, financial condition, or investor needs. The views and opinions expressed in this discussion may differ from the views and opinions of other departments or divisions of Itaú and its affiliates.